We ready to go now.
Almost. Oh, this is so fucking funny. Here, move your knee. Damn.
Oh, motherfucker. It's a pretty good setup right there.
Mm-hmm. God damn this thing. It's really, how'd you say, temperamental?
It's called temperamental.
Fix my suspension! God damn you! We're coasting! Woo! I need to get definitely seatbelt business.
Got my seatbelt on, bitch.
Got yours on? Awesome.
Yeah.
Isn't that the guy around the corner who gets fished off?
The guy down there, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Wah, wah.
Yeah, we did that the last time. I don't think he appreciated that.
So Adam's got his thing all jimmy rigged and wired. We're ready to cruise.
We're ready to annoy the fuck out of people. That's what we're doing.
So we'll look for a victim.
We'll find them walking on 185th.
Oh, cruising down 185th from Hunkers.
Oh, that's so fucking loud. Jesus Christ, and that's not even the big one. Oh, kids on bikes. Oh, baby, come here.
Oh, damn.
Hit it. What if we're gonna find somebody?
Somebody riding down this side of the road. It's too bad it's not daytime.
Oh, I know. Never fucking been. Oh.
Oh, did you see him? He leaned to one side.
Oh, here we go. Check this out. Oh my god. Oh, we're douchebags. It's alright.
You get their head turned, bring him back, like, whoa.
They're like, you guys are douches.
Oh, they're fucking
Hit it real hard, pussy!
Oh, we missed a bunch of the school, Adam. It was like five people there.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh wait, is that somebody walking up there? No, that's straight. Oh, I got behind us.
Yeah, there's like three. Right there. Oh, you missed them.
Oh, those guys ain't fucking douchebag.
Huh?
There you go.
Oh, look, there's somebody.
I think we should go through a parking lot. Because nothing's better than people up front, like, expecting nothing.
Just drive by like the front of this business where people are walking out.
Yeah, we're targeting Target. Come here, Target.
He's got a bullseye on it.
It's like freaking gold. Oh, it's packed with this. There's gonna be plenty of people.
Just hopefully we can get a few out going out the door right away.
Oh, there's plenty. Check that out. They're just walking in the parking lot. You might get some strange looks. Yeah, you better roll that
strange looks.
Roll that goddamn window up.
Feels a little more private. We're closed off the world. It's all us.
Oh, this is gonna be great. I love those douchebags.
Right here. In the road, just drive by. They're laughing too.
Oh shit! He fucking jumped out of his goddamn skin. He's like, oh shit! Oh, these chicks are gonna love it.
Best Buy.
Best Buy's gonna get it better. Oh god. The guy that jumped, that was classic. It was exactly like on those videos.
Oh, they're waiting to cross. Perfect. roll away, so casual. La, 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 la. Ah.
Nothing's going on here. Where?
Where? There's a whole bunch of people everywhere.
Who should we target? That's I think the guy on the sidewalk here.
You're our next victim.
No, not really. The guy freaking had stacks come out of his truck bed. But we want this nice, subtle freaking scare.
Roll my fucking window up.
I actually tapped it. Whoops.
I heard this little beep.
I know.
Luckily, you don't have it harder to make no sound.
Oh, come on. Do we have to go around? Yes, we do, I think.
What?
We have to go around. We missed our perfect spot.
We missed a bunch of people there.
Oh, damn it.
Oh, I know where you can go.
Where?
You can go to Cedar Hills where my friend Evan lives.
Oh, yeah?
Drive by his house and blare it.
Okay.
Basically, we just go to Walker, just take it all the way down.
Oh, screw this. There we go. We gotta find somebody that's it. Shit. Why can't we find anybody to pull up behind?
Because we can't find anybody else like that right now.
Target acquired. Get going in for the kill.
Where?
See the lady?
Oh, God.
Target acquired.
That's just terrible. Locked on. Ready to go. She's old, too.
Ready?
Yeah. That head turned quickly. Wink. They're all gonna get whiplash turning their heads so fast.
Oh, mother and her child.
Beep, boop, boop.
Locked on.
Justice by
waiting
combat.
for firing. He's laughing, too.
Oh. I'm sure your car loves that.
Yeah, what the fuck it do? He's scared of the
She's like, I'm looking back, and I was like, no, you're right. Oh, I love this thing so much. Everybody hears you. Against me, a bitch again.
Round table.
I could just be like, wah, wah. Hey, dude, we should totally fuck with the guy with the Porsche. God damn it.
He's coming our way. That doesn't work.
Yes, it does.
His head hella turned.
Rear tension.
Wait. It's yellow. It's good. Don't hit no one. Dude,
Just fucking try by.
now you're gonna think like he's gonna be pulled over here. I swear, if you put flashing light and we go whoop whoop with that sound, you'd be like a cop.
Oh, I know. We're not going to go to that. That's
No,
territory.
I'm just saying, you got the sound right there.
Oh, I know. That'd be territory that we must not tread upon.
We're already halfway on it, and I go the whole way now.
That's what she said. Look what I got.
True. You now are a proud owner of a new kid.
Come on down.
You're the next contestant on The Price is Right.
Oh, that was wicked.
The front bailed, or
I felt that. That hurt. That fucking hurt.
we're gonna follow around and honking our horn at her.
What?
She's gonna get pissed at us.
She's probably like, these guys are fucking nuts. And when
Muffins and bagels.
the predator finds their prey.
Locked on.
Target acquired.
Beep. Wheel.
It's more than beep. It's like,
Well, no, that's it locking us. It's telling you to fire.
oh god. Grandpa's gonna get scared tonight. Grandpa doesn't need to know what's going under the light. She's saying,
Grandma got scared by a train horn.
oh, that's pretty much what it was. God damn, she's like, what the fuck?
Dude, I thought you could get whiplash turning your head so fucking fast.
Wow. Stop, or I'll
Man,
honk
these
again.
trucks are hanging out. Watch out, minivan to the right.
Oh, bunch of kids.
Hit it. Hell.
Dude, all those kids missed it. Ah, I don't know which one's better, the kid, them or the
Just
kids?
go straight through.
Tell me when.
Right when you get to
Behind the building. You can
that
do it.
yellow one right there, hit it.
Which yellow one?
Right here. One more down. It's gonna be this one up here.
The light?
Right here. Right here. Right here. Right here. Oh, go Jesus! Right here. All right. This is the house right here. Do it.